Welcome to the Dr. R Craft CSS Padding tutorial. The CSS padding properties allow you to change how much area is cleared between an element's border and its content. As you can see, this div element's padding is set to 15 pixels, meaning there is 15 pixel space between the div element's border and its content. We can increase the padding like this, decrease it like this, or remove it entirely. By default, the padding is set to 0. In addition, you can specify the padding for multiple sides of an element. You can see the padding is currently 4 values, 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 30 pixels, 40 pixels, and you can see that the top padding is 10 pixels, the right padding is 20 pixels, the bottom padding is 30 pixels, and the left padding is 40 pixels. If it's just 3 values, like 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 30 pixels, you can see the top padding is 10 pixels, the left and right paddings are 20 pixels, and the bottom padding is 30 pixels. If it's just 2 values, like 10 pixels, 20 pixels, you can see the top and bottom paddings are 10 pixels, and the left and right paddings are 20 pixels. If it's just one value, like 10 pixels, then all 4 paddings are 10 pixels. Here is a full illustration of the box model if you're getting confused between margin and padding. As you can see, margin is outside the border, padding is inside the border. This concludes the CSS padding tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.